Hi there, this is Steve. Welcome to GuitarNiche. I'm going to show you a super easy test for continuity. I just installed some replacement pickups here. Yeah, they're old and they're not the right color, but whatever, okay? But I want to make sure that before I button this up entirely, that my negative connections, my ground is continuous as it should be. So I have a live lead here, and it's going to go like this. But before that, if you're new to the channel, thank you so much. Always like to see new eyeballs and stuff, to use the word. Okay, anyway, so goes like so. Notice these have no connection. Not necessary. All you need is one connection, which will transfer to the tailpiece, thus the strings. But A-okay. Anyway, hope you get something out of that. My name is Steve. Thanks for watching. As always, play loud, have fun, have a great day. Cheers. See ya.